Are you trying to decide between Fidelity Investments and Interactive Brokers? You are not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular investment platforms. Both Fidelity and Interactive Brokers help people invest their money. They offer access to stocks, bonds, and other financial products, but they each have their own strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with Fidelity Investments. Fidelity is known for its user friendly platform. It's great for beginners. They offer a wide range of investment options and excellent research tools. Plus, Fidelity has no commission fees for stock trades, which is a big plus for many investors. Now, let's look at Interactive Brokers. This platform is more suited for experienced traders. Interactive Brokers offers advanced tools and a powerful trading platform. It has a wide selection of global markets and low margin rates. However, it can be a bit complex for new investors. So, what are the key differences? Fidelity is more beginner friendly, while Interactive Brokers caters to seasoned traders. If you're just starting out, Fidelity might be the better choice. But if you're an experienced investor looking for advanced features, Interactive Brokers could be a better fit. When it comes to features, Fidelity offers strong research and educational resources. Interactive Brokers shines with its trading tools and access to international markets. Both have mobile apps, but the user experience differs. Pricing is another important factor. Fidelity has no commission fees for stocks, while Interactive Brokers charges a small fee for trades but offers lower costs for high volume traders. In the end, if you're new to investing, go with Fidelity. It's simple and easy to use. If you have more experience and want advanced features, Interactive Brokers is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment tips.